Today we're going to make a song assignment. We're going to make a song in SongMaker Chrome Music Lab. So your assignment is in two places. You can look at the top of the stream, here it is today, or you can look in your classwork. Make a song in Song Chrome Music Maker. What we're going to do is click on the assignment. Here you are going to see a link for Chrome Music Lab, and you're also going to see where you're going to turn in the song on Google Forms. So first things first, let's go to click on Chrome Music Lab. To make a song in Chrome Music Lab, it's really fun. You just color in. If you don't like it, you unclick it. Play. And it keeps looping. Then you can add beats. Down here to beats. You can change the instruments. This is for the melody parts. You can change the drum beats to blocks. You can change it to other things. You can also change the speed over here in tempo. And once you get it the way you like it, you're going to come over here and click the word save with a check mark. Once you get to the save bar, you're going to copy it by clicking copy link. And it's clicking it. You're going to go back over to the tab here where we have our lesson. Click Chrome Music Lab Google Forms. That's where we're turning it in. Type in your name. And then here we are going to paste. Now in order to paste, you have to push Control-V on your keyboard. It looks like this. Here's your typing board. The CTRL is Control. You're going to hold that down, and you're going to then quickly click, while you're holding this down, V. Control-V. Click on your answer, Control-V. And I just pasted it. Click Submit, and you're going to go back to your assignment, and you're going to mark your assignment as done. And that's how you submit your song that you made. Now I'm going to get the song in a Google Sheet so I can listen to your songs and we can share all the songs together. And that's our song project of the day, making a song in SongMaker Chrome Music Lab and sharing it. Enjoy! If you have any questions, type in the comments below, email me, or raise your hand.